Today, we are opening yet another phase in this fight against this deadly disease. As you are aware, His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta, yesterday made some very critical pronouncements on the way forward. First, not to repeat, but just to highlight that movement in Eastleigh, Nairobi, and Old Town, Mombasa were lifted. And this lift of restrictions also applied to Kwale and Kilifi counties. Now, it is important for us to clarify that these actions do not mean that the areas that were affected are now COVID-free. It is simply because the observance of what we have been saying in those areas and the isolation of the cases, of the many cases that were in those areas, have been having an effect. And consequently, the number of cases that we pick from there are less and no more than other areas. And that's why we said that those areas, that's why the President ordered that action. But I repeat that it is not that the transmission of the virus in those areas has slowed down. And I want to appeal to the residents of the 4 areas not to become complacent and abandon all the containment measures. Any behavior to the contrary is likely to roll back the gains that have been made so far. Let me reiterate that the directive that closed down bars that sell alcohol has also not been lifted, because there has been those who have been saying that they are now free to start partaking of some of these things, some of them even saying that they are now free to order one Kagwe special. I would like to clarify that that is not the case.